Oh, it's a V8 Magnum Dodge Dakota Sport. And I'm assuming this is forest green. What's the paint coat on this?
Emerald green pearl.
Emerald green pearl. What year is this thing?
I was about to say the same thing. It's just, oh yeah, 97 right up top.
97. This thing's sick.
5.2.
It's a 5.
Woo!
Woo!
I love it, damn.
That's sick.
This thing's been to Carlisle.
This is rare. It's a stick shift too.
This is a custom order, eh?
Custom motor. Oh, it's got the manuals on it too. That's cool.
355 gears in it. This thing could be a fucking hoot. Well, it's got a limited slip in it.
It's fully loaded. 4x2, eh?
Fuck. Yeah, it's 2-wheel drive. You fucking use this thing. I want it.
How much does he want for it?
Well, it ain't for sale.
This is clean though.
Yeah, the bill of sales on the dash too.
The bill of sale?
Yeah, it's the original owner.
How much did he pay this for? I'm assuming what, 15,000?
Well, 15 would be the base price. 16,611.
Wow. Phenomenal.
Amount on delivery 14,611.
That's cool.
$2,000. You have to pay 14 grand for that?
That's not bad for a midsize.
Fucking good deal. For a 318, the stick at 355 on the flip, this thing's back right.
This thing's approved.
You never see them in that box length.
What is this? What's the length of the box? It's pretty big. 8-foot box. Oh, it's got
that stock to a little mile end. Look at that dude fucking around with that thing.
very cool.
Not the one for me. Just, well, no, sorry, that 500 in the corner. Well, toss up. I think I like the Dakota more.
the 500 edition?
Yeah. I mean, that's arguably rare.
Yes, that's correct.